Hi everyone and welcome to this Unreal Engine 5 Blueprint Scripting course. In this course, I will guide you step by step through the most important blueprint concepts in Unreal Engine 5. Whether you are a complete beginner or you already know a little bit about Unreal Engine, this course will help you understand how Blueprint works and how to actually use it in real projects. We start by learning what Blueprint scripting really is, how it works inside Unreal Engine, and how it compares to C++. After that, we explore all the important Unreal Engine 5 classes. You will understand entire class hierarchy from UObject and actor to pawn, character, player controller, AI controller, components, and even animation blueprints. By the end of this section, you will know exactly how Unreal Engine organizes gameplay system. Then we go inside a class and learn the essential panel you will use every day: the Viewport, Components panel, Details panel, the Event graph, and the Construction script. These basics are very important because they help you build anything in Blueprint. Next, move into Blueprint nodes, panes, and words, the core of visual scripting. You will learn what nodes are, how they work, how to use them, how to connect them, and how to organize your logic like a real game developer. We also spent a full section learning about event nodes like begin play, take, hour loops, and input events for keyboard and mouse. These are the events that actually make your game respond to the player. After that, we go deep into variables. You will learn what variables are, how to get and set them, and you will practice building your first logic. We cover all useful variable types like booleans, integers, floats, bytes, names, strings, vectors, rotators, transforms, structures, arrays, sets, and maps. There are also challenge parts to test your understanding. Then we learn about functions in Blueprint, how to create your own function, how different function nodes work, and how to call them to keep your blueprint clean and organized. You will also learn about flow control nodes like branch, sequence, and for loop, which help control how your logic executes. And in the UI section, we explore blueprint widgets. You will learn how to create a widget, how to show it on the screen, and how to work with the canvas panel, text, images, and buttons. We end this part by building a simple UI project together. There is also a full section where we build a city inside Unreal Engine using simple tools and blueprint techniques. And at the end of the course, we create a small complete game project inside Unreal Engine 5 to bring everything together. By the time you finish this course, you will have a strong foundation in Unreal Engine 5 blueprint scripting, and you will be ready to start creating your own gameplay systems and projects. I'm excited to begin this journey with you. Let's get started.